I am Nitin Barkhade from Sri Sayajinath Maharaj Vidyalay, Vadmukwadi, Pune. We start Maths Part 1, Chapter number 1, Sets. Definition. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called set. For example, days of a week, because we can clearly define days of the week as Sunday, Monday up to Saturday. Vowels in English alphabets. Name of the set is always denoted by capital letter A, B, and so on. The members or elements of the set are shown by using small letters A, B, C. Now we show two symbols. First is belongs to and second one is not belongs to. A is an element of set A. We denote this by A is belongs to A. And A is not element of set A. That is A is not belongs to A. Now there are two methods of writing any set. First is listing method or roster method. For example, set of odd numbers less than 10. To write any set by listing method, first we have to denote that set by capital letter equals to. We use curly bracket and now we have to write all the elements. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 because they give less than 10. Second method is called rule method or set builder form. For example, B is equals to A, E, I, O, U. Now we know that A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels in English alphabets. So we write this as B is equals to curly bracket X, such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. Means we have to write a rule for the given elements. Now we solve practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Write the following sets in roster form. First, set of even natural numbers. Solution. A is equals to curly bracket. Now we need even numbers, so they are 2, 4, 6, 8 and infinite. Second example, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now there is only one prime number which is even, that is 2. So we write B is equals to curly bracket 2. Third, set of negative integers. C is equals to curly bracket -1, -2, -3 and so on. 4. 7 basic sounds of a sargam. So we call it is D is equals to sa, re, ga, ma, dha, ni. Now sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So that sa is repeated. So we take only sa one times. Write the following symbolic statements in word. First is 4/3 belongs to set Q. -2 does not belongs to N. P is equals to curly bracket P such that P is an odd number. We say P is a set of odd numbers. Now question number 3. Write the following sets using listing method. All months in the Indian solar year. Now in Indian solar year, we write months as Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh, Falgun. Letters in the word complement. So we call it is set number B is equals to curly bracket C O M P L E N T. In listing method, repetition of element is not allowed. Set of human sensory organs. So there are 5 organs, that is eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Next question, set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So we call it is D is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. All these are prime numbers. Name of the continents of the world. E is equals to Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the continents of the world. Question number 5. Write the following sets using rule method. So A is equals to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Now if we consider these numbers, all these numbers are perfect square numbers. So we write x such that x is equals to n square and n is a natural number less than 11. Then there are numbers 6, 12, 18 up to 48. All these numbers are multiples of 6. So we write B is equals to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So we write this as y is equals to 6n. N belongs to natural number and n is less than 9. C is equals to SMILE. So these are letters in the word smile.